Well, India's defense sector has emerged as one of the top performing themes in the first half of 2025. The Nifty India Defense Index that soared over 36%, outpacing most other sectors and giving a solid lift to the broader market. Leading the rally were Bharat Dynamics, which jumped about 76%, and BEL up nearly 46%. On the other hand, we had Mazagon Dock and GRSE, which posted stellar gains of 45% and 81% respectively in the past 6 months. Now, even state-run shipyards like Cochin Shipyard, that gained momentum, rising 29% in the first half of 2025. Now, what fueled this rally? Well, geopolitical tensions flared up in the first half of 2025 with India's Operation Sindoor against Pakistan that kept the defense pack in focus. Other than that, the ongoing instability in the Middle East that also kept defense preparedness in focus, giving a sentimental boost to India's defense stocks. Other than that, in terms of government push, the government has announced a record high defense budget of 6.81 lakh crore rupees for FY26, which accounts for 13% of the total central spending, with expectations of a further 10% rise in FY27. In fact, the Defense Ministry's orders stand at 2.1 lakh crore rupees, the highest ever in 2025, whereas defense exports, they have topped 24,000 crore rupees. Well, other than that, a 13% boost in capital outlay, that signaled a strong push for modernization, including investments in drones, naval ships, aircraft, and also R&D. Other than that, brokerage upgrades, that's something that kept the defense pack in focus Other than that, we had rising defense exports and also NATO's global push for higher military spending, which has added to the global tailwinds for Indian defense manufacturers. Now, as we enter the second half of 2025, defense stocks have continued their momentum with solid day one gains as well. BEL up about 3%, BDL 2%, and HAL that gained nearly 1% in trade yesterday, signaling a positive sentiment on the street for India's defense growth story.